Do you suffer from uneven breasts? Ladies, let me make it clear, you are not alone. Uneven breasts can make us insecure, embarrassed, and frustrated. We get it. Luckily, there are many solutions to this. Did you know that according to scientific research, 99% of women have uneven breasts to some degree? You heard us right, 99%! I bet you feel better about your girls now. Great, let's move on. It's important to know where this issue of uneven breasts starts from. Here are a few possibilities. Hormonal changes, puberty, natural decline of estrogen, traumatic injuries, pregnancy, underlying fibroids, non-cancerous tumors. Now I know what you're thinking. The only way to fix this is through surgery, right? Wrong. Don't be fooled. There are plenty of natural remedies out there. You just have to search. We have come up with some of the best remedies that you can do in the comfort of your own home. Perform a breast massage. Begin with 150 to 300 rotations daily. Make sure you are only focusing on the smaller breast. Exercise, exercise, exercise. Here are some targeted chest workouts you can perform in the gym or at home. Medicine ball chest press, chest fly, tricep dips, bras for asymmetrical breasts. If you don't have the time for either of the other options, a simple bra will do the fix. If you're still having no luck, consider taking an herbal supplement. Any supplement that has fenugreek, fennel seeds, red clover, and/or wild yam are targeted for your breasts and will get the job done, ladies. Remember to avoid caffeine, sugary drinks, and chocolates, as this reduces the natural production of estrogen in your body. If you want to know more information on fixing your uneven breasts, click the link in the description. The solution is one click away. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.